Sometimes you may need access to a book or article for a class assignment that the library does not own. In these cases, you may utilize a service called interlibrary loan or ILL in order to request the materials you need. Let's start with a basic ProQuest search by going to the Articles tab on the library's website. In the ProQuest search box under Quick Search for Articles, I'm going to type toads and toxicity, and then press the orange magnifying glass. As you can see, the database has found 953 articles that met my search criteria. If the article has full-text PDF listed after the abstract details, this means that the library has access to view the full-text version of this article. If instead, the article has find a copy listed after the abstract details, this means that I have to go through a few other steps to determine whether the library has access to the full-text version of this article somewhere else before requesting it through interlibrary loan. For example, if I am interested in reading article number 3, Rapid Expansion of the Cane Toad Invasion Front in Tropical Australia, I would first click on Find a Copy. Next, a window will pop up which will give me options for finding a copy of this article. Now, I will select Check Link Source for full text. A new tab will open in my browser and will list full text finder results, which is basically all the places where I could potentially find this article. As you can see, the only options are Google Scholar or interlibrary loan. Before I request this article from ILL, I will check Google Scholar first to see if it is available there, so I'm going to click on Search for more info on this title in Google Scholar. If the full text was available through Google Scholar, there would be a PDF listed on the right side of the screen next to the article title and abstract. Since the article is not available on Google Scholar, I'm going to go back to my ProQuest result list and select Request through Interlibrary Loan under Options for finding a copy. After this, I will need to sign into the Interlibrary Loan platform using my Queen's username and Queen's password. Once I click Sign In, I will be brought to an interlibrary loan request form. All of the fields like journal title, publication date, and article title should automatically be filled in. Check the article abstract to ensure the page numbers are correct, and make any necessary changes in the form. In this case, I'm going to add the end page number 176. If I were to need this article before a particular date, I would fill in Needed Before field on the form as well. Now all that is left to do is to select the Submit Request button on the ILL form. I will receive an email when my article arrives which will contain the article in PDF format. If I request a book, it will be delivered in the mail to the library. You can find out more about interlibrary loan by going to the library's homepage at library.queens.edu and selecting Interlibrary Loan on the left-hand side of the page. If you have any questions, please ask a library staff member.